Learning Icelandic. Lesson topic, cooking actions.
Undirbúa.
To prepare.
Elda.
To cook.
Skera.
To cut.
Saksa.
To chop.
Sneiða.
To slice.
Afhýða.
To peel.
Þvo.
To wash.
Skóla.
To rinse.
Þurrka.
To dry.
Sjóða.
To boil.
Steikja.
To fry.
Baka.
To bake.
Grilla.
To grill.
Gufusjóða.
To steam.
Hræra.
To stir.
Blanda.
To mix.
Hella.
To pour.
Bæta við.
To add.
Hita.
To heat.
Kæla.
To cool.
Bera fram.
To serve.
Smakka.
To taste.
Krydda.
To season.
Sía frá.
To drain.
Hylja.
To cover.
Sjóða. Þvo. Sía frá.
Want to remember these words forever? Go to flashcardsluna.com and practice this and thousands of other decks for free. Link in the description.